Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to unzip a zip file on a USB flash drive on a Mac computer using terminal and terminal commands. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a USB flash drive and a zip file saved onto the USB flash drive. So we're going to start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder. Let's now insert the USB flash drive into the Mac computer and wait for that to load. As we can see on screen, that has popped up. Let's now click on locations within Finder. Wait for the USB to load up on screen with the zip file, which we can see on screen. Let's now minimize Finder for the moment. Now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for the command prompt, terminal. Let's now increase the size of the terminal window, increase the font size, Command plus a couple of times. Now let's clear everything on screen. Let's change directory to the desktop, CD desktop, ls-l, and now let's navigate into the Kingston USB, CD, V, volumes, K, Kingston. List everything within the USB flash drive. And now the aim of this video is to unzip YouTube thumbnails.zip. How do we do that? We do that with unzip Y tab. Let's now go all the way down to the dock, go to the Kingston USB, decrease the size of the Kingston USB so we can see everything happening in real time. Enter. And there you go. The zip file has now been unzipped, extracted with all the content on screen. Let's go to Finder, increase the size of the Finder window, click on YouTube thumbnails, and there you go. All the thumbnails ready to be used. So we can now quit Finder, go back to terminal, clear all the content on screen, quit terminal, eject the Kingston USB using Command E to eject. Let's now remove the USB flash drive from the Mac computer. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.